Well, isn't it fun to be a landlord? Yeah, it's really fun until it's not anymore. Folks, I have had at least one rental property since 1992. And let's face it, we get to some point in time where we either get tired of the tenants or we have a fear of the taxes if we want to sell that property. You can fix the tax problem temporarily by doing a 1031 exchange, but all that does is move the tax liability here and kick the can down over into the next property. So yes, the tax issue has been deferred, but you're still a landlord. Well, the tenant issue could be fixed by selling the home on a seller finance transaction. And that would take care of the tenant improvements and being a landlord and everything else, but you still do not have a perfect way of dealing with the taxes on it. What if you could combine the best elements of a seller finance transaction along with a 1031 exchange? Well, welcome to UtahInvestorsTen31.com. Folks, we have got a staff attorney here that has decades of experience and has done thousands of these transactions. In fact, he is considered one of the premier 1031 exchange attorneys in the country. If you want to find out how to take advantage of both of these elements, give us your information and let's talk. This is going to blow your mind and you'll be so happy that you did. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.